The benefits of keyless locks explained. Whether it is the locker room lock, bike lock, automotive lock, or residential lock, locks are everywhere in our daily lives. With so many locks everywhere, most of us have dozens of keys on our key rings, which can begin to add up over time. Keyless locks can help you to reduce the amount of keys on your keyring or to eliminate your keyring entirely. At one time, keyless locks were considered a luxury, especially in the automotive industry, but today they are a low-cost alternative to everyday keyed locks. Just think about how convenient that it would be to not have to carry keys around with you. More so, just think you would never lose your keys again if you used keyless locks on your car, in your home, and elsewhere. Keyless locks have much the same installation procedures as standard keyed locks and can generally be installed on any application. With so many advantages over keyed locks, keyless locks are the way of the future. The question now is, will you be along for the ride? Keyless locks are for you. For more fun informational videos like this one about the locksmith industry, be sure to visit all of our videos on our locksmith blog at www.sandiegocitylocksmith.com/blog. See you there.